Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Google Sheet is shareable. Set link access so Power BI can read it. Once done, tidy one sheet. Clear merge cells and confirm a header row because Power Query relies on clean headers to infer types correctly. Next, copy the sheet's published CSV or the export URL. In Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data and pick Web. This first action gets Power BI to fetch raw data. It's faster and more reliable than manual copy-paste. After connecting, Power Query opens and shows the raw table. Here you shape the data. Promote the first row to headers so field names are consistent, and explicitly set data types to avoid refresh errors. Remove blank rows and columns, split combined columns, and pivot or unpivot depending on your model. Use applied steps to keep transformations reproducible. This is why you clean now. Each refresh will apply the same logic automatically, preserving relationships and preventing type mismatches. Finally, close and apply to load the clean table into your model. Verify relationships and test visuals. For automated updates, publish to Power BI service and schedule refreshes. If your sheet requires a gateway or organizational credentials, configure them now. If something breaks, first recheck the sheet URL and sharing permissions, then inspect the Power Query error details. They usually point to type changes or renamed headers. If issues persist, republish a stable sheet range and update the web URL. That typically resolves refresh failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.